Hi guys, I'm going to tint this roll-up down window on the front of this Dodge in under 2 minutes. I know in a lot of my other videos I've stressed taking your time, doing the job right, and that is true, that is what you want to do. Speed comes with time. I've been doing it 21 years and I just thought I'd do this for fun. So here we go. Done. Woohoo! Like, why are you looking at me, man? That's free. Look how good that looks.
Looks so good.
Actually, turned out pretty good. I think I might have known that was coming.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you found it helpful, please take the time to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. As always, check out the description of this video. We'll have a link to our giveaway. We'll also have a link to all the products and tools that we used for this video. Also, we've had a number of individuals who have reached out to us in regards to getting Install Pro shirts, hats, or other swag. We decided to turn it back to you guys. If you've got ideas for shirts or hats, whether it's funny stuff, serious stuff, wording, designs, whatever, please feel free to comment below or send us an email at support@installpros.com. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, and subscribe. Thanks guys, bye.